I am a microwave chef. I cook these eggs. Now I cook the potatoes first. Olive oil, Redmond real salt, and dash lemon pepper. Did that for 30 minutes. Then, here's the eggs. I put them in. I season them with the salt and lemon pepper. And I put them on the edge. You see that? Well, I guess there's 5 of them. Then I cook them for 15 minutes. Then I dried them out. I crispied them for 30 minutes. All right? Now, I'm a microwave chef for me. I don't know if anybody else could take this. I have experimented. You know, there's people that have managed to eat my food and they lived and they said it was yummy. It wasn't food poisoning like the FDA. So here it is. It's yummy. I could give you the recipe, but I think I just did.